Do you ever feel like eating healthy costs a fortune? Like fresh produce and wholesome ingredients are just out of reach for your budget? What if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Today, we're tackling the ultimate challenge, a healthy grocery haul, all under $50. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to prove that nourishing your body doesn't require breaking the bank. This isn't just about saving money, it's about making smart, clean choices that benefit your health and your wallet. We'll explore how to maximize every dollar, ensuring you get nutritious food for the entire week. Get ready to transform your grocery game and discover the power of budget-friendly, healthy eating. You can eat well, feel great, and stick to your budget. Before we even step foot in the store, a solid strategy is key. First, meal planning is your superpower. Decide what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week ahead. This prevents impulse buys and food waste. Next, create a detailed shopping list based on your meal plan. Stick to this list like glue. Avoid browsing aisles aimlessly. That's where budget busters lurk. Always check unit prices, not just the total price. Often, buying a slightly larger package can be more cost-effective per serving. Look for weekly sales flyers and digital coupons before you shop. Store brands are frequently just as good as name brands, but significantly cheaper. Don't be afraid to give them a try. Prioritize seasonal produce. It's fresher, tastier, and more affordable. Finally, consider buying non-perishable staples like oats, rice, and dried beans in bulk. This saves money over time and ensures you always have healthy basics on hand. Now let's dive into the actual haul. We're focusing on versatile ingredients that can be mixed and matched for various meals. For produce, we'll grab bananas, apples, and a bag of oranges for snacks and fruit salads. We'll also pick up a large bag of carrots, some onions, and a few potatoes. Spinach is a must for greens, and frozen berries are perfect for smoothies or oatmeal. For proteins, eggs are incredibly versatile and affordable. Canned tuna or chicken are great for quick lunches, and dried lentils or a block of tofu offer excellent plant-based protein options. When it comes to grains and starches, we'll get a large container of rolled oats for breakfasts. Brown rice is a fantastic base for many meals, and whole wheat pasta is a budget-friendly dinner staple. A loaf of whole wheat bread will cover sandwiches and toast. For dairy or alternatives, a gallon of milk or a plant-based alternative like unsweetened almond milk is essential. Plain yogurt can be used for breakfast, snacks, or even in savory dishes. Finally, for pantry staples, we'll ensure we have olive oil, a basic spice blend, salt, and pepper. These foundational items are crucial for flavor. With these ingredients, the meal possibilities are endless. For breakfast, think oatmeal with bananas and frozen berries, or scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole wheat toast. Lunch could be tuna salad sandwiches on whole wheat bread with carrot sticks, or a hearty lentil soup made with carrots, onions, and potatoes. Dinner options include brown rice bowls topped with sautéed spinach, tofu, and a fried egg. You could also make a simple pasta dish with a tomato sauce base, adding in some lentils for extra protein. Roasted potatoes and carrots make a great side dish for almost anything. Remember, creativity is your best friend in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice combinations to keep things interesting. A simple stir-fry with rice, veggies, and a protein source is always a winner. You can even make a big batch of a dish like lentil soup or a rice and bean medley at the beginning of the week. This saves time and ensures you have healthy meals ready to go. To truly master budget-friendly, healthy eating, consistency is key. Make grocery shopping a weekly ritual, always with your list in hand. Don't be afraid to try new recipes that utilize affordable ingredients. Look for inspiration online or in cookbooks. Batch cooking can be a game changer. Dedicate an hour or two on a weekend to prep ingredients or cook larger portions of meals. This saves time during busy weekdays and reduces the temptation to order takeout. Store leftovers properly in airtight containers to keep them fresh. Remember, every small saving adds up. Bringing your own reusable bags, avoiding pre-cut produce, and choosing whole ingredients over processed ones all contribute to a healthier budget. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial and health goals. What are your go-to budget-friendly healthy foods? Share your top tips and favorite recipes in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you make healthy eating affordable. Your ideas could inspire someone else on their journey. Eating healthy on a budget is absolutely achievable. It requires a little planning, smart shopping habits, and a willingness to get creative in the kitchen. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and utilizing versatile ingredients, you can nourish your body without emptying your wallet. This $50 haul proves that you don't need a huge budget to eat well. You just need a smart approach. So go forth, shop smart, and enjoy the incredible benefits of a healthy, budget-friendly lifestyle. You've got this.